This is Algebra part 1 where we will discuss some basic problems from algebra. So let's start. Question number 1. If x plus 1 by x equals to minus 1, then what is the value of x cube? The options are 0, 1, minus 1 and 2. Answer. Given that x plus 1 by x equals to minus 1, multiplying by x we get x square plus 1 equals to minus x. So x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now x cube minus 1 equals to x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1, and since the value of this quantity is 0, we get the value of x cube minus 1 equals to 0. Thus x cube equals to 1. Thus option B is correct. Now question number 2. If y plus 1 by y equals to 1, then what is the value of y cube? Options are 1, 0, minus 1 and 2. Answer. Given that y plus 1 by y equals to 1. Now multiplying by y we get y square plus 1 equals to y. So y square minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Now y cube plus 1 equals to y plus 1 times y square minus y plus 1. And now the value of this quantity is 0. We get the value of y cube plus 1 equals to 0. Thus y cube equals to minus 1. So option C is correct. Question number 3. If x plus 1 by x equals to minus 1 and y plus 1 by y equals to 1, then find the value of x power 3y plus y power 6x. Options are 1, 0, minus 1 and 2. Answer. Since x plus 1 by x equals to minus 1, from question number 1 we get x cube equals to 1. And again since y plus 1 by y equals to 1, we get from question number 2 is y cube equals to minus 1. Thus y power 6 equals to 1. You can go back and check. Now x power 3y plus y power 6x, and that can be written as x power 3 power y plus y power 6 whole power x, which is x power 3 is 1 and y power 6 is 1. So we get 1 power y plus 1 power x, and we know that any power of 1 is 1, so we get 1 plus 1, which is 2. Thus option D is correct. Now question number 4. If x plus 1 by x equals to 3, then find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Answer. We are squaring this quantity. X plus 1 by x square equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x times 1 by x. And the quantity of this is 3, so we get 3 square, that is 9, equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, this is 1. Thus x square plus 1 by x square equals to 9 minus 2, which is 7. Now B. We are squaring this, so we get x square plus 1 by x square whole square equals to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 times x square times 1 by x square. And the quantity of this is 7, so we are getting 7 square, which is 49, equals to x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2. Thus the value of x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals to 49 minus 2, which is 47. Now question number 5. If x plus 1 by x equals to 3, then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube and the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. Answer. We are squaring x plus 1 by we are cubing x plus 1 by x, so we are getting x plus 1 by x cube equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times x times 1 by x times x plus 1 by x. Here we are using the formula of a plus b cube, that is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Now the value of x plus 1 by x equals to 3, So we are getting 27 equals to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times this is 3. So 3 times 3. Thus x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to 27 minus 9 equals to 18. Now B. Now we are squaring this. So x cube plus 1 by x cube whole square equals to x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 2 times x cube times 1 by x cube. And the value of this is 18. So we are getting 18 square equals to x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 plus 2. Thus the value of x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6 equals to 18 square, that is 324 minus 2 equals to 322. Now question number 6. If x plus 1 by x equals to 3, then find x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5. The options are 1 1 1, 1 3 2, 1 2 2 and 1 2 3. Answer. From question number 4 and 5, since we have x plus 1 by x equals to 3, we get x square plus 1 by x square equals to 7 and x cube plus 1 by x cube equals to 18. You can go back and check. Now multiplying them, we get 7 times 18. So if we multiply these two, we get x power 5 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x power 5, which is equals to 126. This implies x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 plus 3. The value of this quantity is 3 equals to 126. Thus the value of x power 5 plus 1 by x power 5 is 126 minus 3, which is 123. Thus option D is correct. Now question number 7. If x plus 1 by x equals to root 3, then find x power 2019 plus x power 2025. The options are root 3, 0, 1 minus root 3. Answer. We are given that x plus 1 by x equals to root 3. Now squaring. We are getting x plus 1 by x whole square equals to 3. So that implies x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equals to 3. So the value of x square plus 1 by x square equals to 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now multiplying by x square, we get x power 4 plus 1 equals to x square. So x power 4 minus x square plus 1 equals to 0. Now x power 6 plus 1 equals to x square plus 1 times x power 4 minus x square plus 1. Here we are using the formula of AQ plus BQ. And since the quantity x power 4 minus x square plus 1 equals to 0, we are getting the value of x power 6 plus 1 to be 0. Thus, x power 2019 plus x power 2025, which can be written as x power 2019 times 1 plus x power 6, and the value of x power 6 plus 1 equals to 0. So we are getting the value of this quantity is 0. Thus option B is correct. Now question number 8. If x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 equals to 79, then find x plus 1 by x. Here the options are 1, minus square root of 11, root 11 and 0. Answer. Now suppose that the value of x plus 1 by x equals to a. Now squaring, we are getting x plus 1 by x square equals to a square. That implies x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equals to a square. So the value of x square plus 1 by x square equals to a square minus 2. Since we want to use the value of this x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, we have to square again. So again squaring, we are getting x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus 2 equals to a square minus 2 square. And now putting the value of this quantity x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4, which is 79, we get 79 plus 2 equals to a square minus 2 square. Taking square roots. Now square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of a square minus 2 whole square is a square minus 2. We are getting a square minus 2 equals to 9. Thus a square equals to 11. Hence the value of a, which is x plus 1 by x, is equals to square root of 11. Thus option C is correct. Guys, this is what we have in today's lesson. Now you can ask questions in comment sections. I will answer them in another video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.